Hello and welcome to the video Covering Security OAuth2 Authorization Server Configurations Apply Default Security Method Deprecated. I am Nam at Code Java.net. In this video, I'd like to show you a solution to fix the warning message when developing Java applications with the Spring Framework and Spring Security. You know the following statement is marked deprecated since Spring Security OAuth2 Authorization Server version 1.4.0. The statement is OAuth2 Authorization Server Configuration apply default security, and the parameter is an HTTP security object. Let me show you the code in action here. Typically, we configure the Spring Authorization Server in a configuration class like this, and we use this statement to apply default security settings OAuth2 Authorization Server Configuration apply security with the parameter argument is an object of type HTTP security, and you can see it shows the warning message. The method apply default security HTTP security from the type OAuth2 Authorization Server Configuration has been deprecated since the version 1.4 and marked for removal in future. So how to fix this error? In other words, what is the alternative code? You know, in this project, I used Spring Security OAuth2 version 1.4.0. As you can see here, Spring Security OAuth2 Authorization Server version 1.4.0. So this statement is deprecated, and this is a solution. Okay, let me show you. We could write the alternative code like this: HTTP security, HTTP with, and then this method accepts two parameters. If you go to this method apply default security, you can see the right to use HTTP security with and pass a security configure adapter object and a customize object. So this is how to update the code. We call OAuth2 Authorization Server Configure class and call the method authorization server here. And for default security settings, we use the customizer with defaults. Then we can delete the deprecated statement. Okay, so this is a solution. You see, we call HTTP with OAuth2 Authorization Server Configure authorization server and customizer with defaults, and the import statement here, customizer here. Okay, so this is how to fix that warning message. Okay, so that's quite simple, right? So the solution to fix the OAuth2 Authorization Server Configurations apply default security method deprecated is use this alternative code HTTP with and pass OAuth2 Authorization Server Configure authorization server, and for default security settings pass customizer with defaults. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.